In this video, I will show you how to shorten your website link or your affiliate marketing link. Type in bit.ly or bit.ly into your search engine, whether Google, Bing, or whichever search engine you're using. Or just go to bit.ly.com, which is bit.ly.com. It will take you to this page. Now you're just going to sign up for the free one, but there are paid ones as well that allows you to customize your links, which is a very neat feature. You could put whatever name you want into the link. But today we're just going to show you the free one. Here are the different prices. You have the free one, the $29 one, $199, and a custom one. Depends on what you want. You could read those and check them out to see if whichever one fits for you. But for today, we're just going to choose a free one. Click the Get Started for free and sign up using your email. It will then take you to this page, which allows you to create your link. You'll be taken to the main bit.ly page that allows you to create your link. You could click here to create your first link, or just click the Create Link button at the top to create your links on a regular basis. Then we go to the affiliate marketing page just to get a link to shorten. When you go to the affiliate marketing page and you choose to promote a product, they will give you a link that is very long. You'll need to shorten this link, so you copy the link from here. So copy the link from here, and then we go over to bit.ly. Now you paste the link in this box here, and there's a few options to click. For most part, you don't have to click any other option. Just click the Create button, and it will shorten the link for you. Now you could change, if you don't like the link, you could redo it again, and it gives you a different link. But one of the things you need to do is, after you create the link, you go back to that same small box, and there's an option to make a title. Because sometimes it gives you a good title, sometimes it's a long title with the link and stuff in it. So just put the title in for whatever the link is. Just give it a name. And then you click Save. Now it will be saved with that name, so it's easier for you to find and know which links are which links. Because the reason for you to sign up is that it will save all of your links, so that you could always go back to them and find them whenever you need, or edit them, or change them, or do whatever you need to do to them. You could copy the link from that same screen, or on the main page, once you go back, the link is there with the copy button. You just click copy, and now you have a short link. You can use this short link in your YouTube videos, on Facebook, or wherever you want to post your link, to make it easier for people to click on them. And sometimes the long links might be distracting, and some people might not want to click on those long links. So see, it takes you to the same page as it would with the long link. It takes you to the exact page, and it has your affiliate ID on it still and everything. So whatever the link is, whether it's a website link or your affiliate marketing link, you can always shorten it using this. As you can see, you could always just post this link easily in your description of your videos or in your comment section. And that's it, quick and easy. Hope that tutorial was good enough for you. Have a beautiful day. PS, remember to check out all the special links in the description of this and any other video on the channel, and also pinned in the comments.